Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone! In this video I will show you how to make lobster ceviche, an incredibly fresh and flavorful dish, using an easy method. We'll dive right into preparing this delightful seafood treat. This recipe is perfect for a light meal or an impressive appetizer, requiring minimal cooking and maximum flavor. Get ready to transform simple ingredients into a culinary masterpiece that will surely impress your guests with its vibrant taste and elegant presentation. Let's get started on this delicious journey. First, let's prepare our star ingredient, the lobster. You'll need about 1.5 pounds of cooked lobster meat. If you're cooking it yourself, steam or boil it briefly until just done, then cool and remove the meat. Cut the lobster into nice, bite-sized pieces, roughly 1/2 inch cubes. This size ensures each piece absorbs the marinade beautifully. Remember, fresh lobster is key for the best flavor and texture in your ceviche. Pat it dry to remove any excess moisture. Now for the magic, the citrus marinade. In a non-reactive bowl, combine the fresh juice of 4 limes and 2 lemons. This vibrant acid will cook our lobster. Next, add 1/2 cup of finely diced red onion, 1/4 cup of fresh chopped cilantro, and 1 small jalapeno, seeded and minced, for a pleasant kick. Gently fold in your prepared lobster. Let this mixture marinate in the refrigerator for about 15 to 20 minutes. The acid will firm up the lobster, creating that classic ceviche texture. Once your lobster ceviche has marinated for about 15 to 20 minutes, it's ready to be served. This dish is best enjoyed fresh. Spoon it into individual serving bowls or a large platter. Garnish generously with fresh avocado slices and a sprinkle of extra cilantro for a beautiful presentation and added creaminess. Serve alongside crispy tortilla chips or plantain chips for a delightful crunch. This easy lobster ceviche is a refreshing and elegant dish, perfect for any occasion. Enjoy every delicious bite.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.